watch a girl when does a suck off me own. Boom pan it, boom pan it.
Blood clot, girl. Yes, 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 yes. I do right to start off the morning to blood clot. Yes, 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 yeah. Go on.
You no lose, come pan it, wet it up with pussy juice.
Boy.
Boom pan it, you no
Blood.
lose.
What's good, reaction gang? Your boy here. So before this video begins, guys, I want to tell you guys to go and subscribe to our couples channel, Moni and Tai. Alright, the screen recording is on the screens right here, right now. Subscribe to our channel, get us to 1,000 subscribers, right? We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers over there. We're lit. Alright, she's saying please. We chilling though. We got some pineapple right here.
All 10K of y'all need to just go ahead to our channel. Subscribe, like, comment, look at some of our other videos.
Yeah, we're lit over there.
Yep.
Enjoy the reaction. I'm out. Pow! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. But yo, viewers and subscribers, like out the bumbo clap video, comment on the video so the video get ranked to more people. Do me I say, I see somebody comment say this about certain video get more views than certain video because people have not like the video, they get to see the video. So like out the video get recommended. Anyways, people, we're here with Vybz Kartel, Cute Rider. Yo, reggaeton mix, official music video. You know the chopping up people. You know the vibe already, you know. We're feeling a birthday in the video. I'm gonna see a girl up on the thumbnail say, no, so the reaction boss is in full effect. Because once the females them outside, me the outside too. Anyway, the girls them there, me there too. Comment on this video to see your comment in this video that I post, and I post every single day. 2 to 3 to 4 times for the day. You understand? I already have 2 videos already to post today, so this is gonna be posted later on today. I mean, but still I get it done. Hey, Mr. Man, this is what I'm going for the video. People, run up and like button, and please go over my couple share and go watch my couples vlog. I posted a lit vlog a while ago. They may I say earlier this morning I should say. Just go over it. Touch the link down below in the my comment section. It's in my comment section. Go and subscribe to my couple share and get me to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Please. Run tune! Woo! I ready? The good property girl left outside already. I put them long no bitch. You put them long no bitch. Time to get serious. Watch the all man put the back a wheel. Let me see that. Go on. Woo! Lad! No, your body not meant to bend them way there. What's she there? Hey, if you don't watch that song, watch that video here without me pausing it, giving my reaction to it, want to come here for. Link to the original song is in below in the description of my video. Go pray it for yourself. Run through now. The girl have better put her S and 10 now. Go on. What's she there? Yo! Blood clean girl. Can you take body that way? That's one. I have one question for you. Can you take body that way? That's all I want to ask you. No, or your parents on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. See me as I make me know. But I have a girlfriend though. Rachun!
Ever since I met you, everything is so perfect. I'll do.
Go on, no, I'm not skip the video. Go on.
Perfect,
yes, bend it over. Yes. Woo, me say, you want the big grip, be a smank.
I'm so grateful in your
yeah, you I see him so she hypnotize me, brother. Look what brother, your brother here big. I see him so she hypnotize me, dog. No, she perfect. Look blood clot, girl. Yes, girl. Wine. Blood clot.
Hey, girl, so your right body cute. Don't watch a girl.
Hey, you can say right body cute. But the girl I'm there for still. I don't know what already. You can go watch the song to the song if you don't watch the song. I get it. Hey, what I know with this? Hey, you're fat no bitch, no? You're fat no blood clot. You're fat no breadfruit. What on there? It's like a dark skin one, I see me a look, man. Me nah lie, me go back in that song. Go on, already, body cute, girl.
So you're right, body cute. Don't watch a girl where does a suck off me own. Boom pan it, boom pan it.
Blood clot, girl. Yes, 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 yes. I do right to start off the morning to blood clot. Yes, 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 yeah. Go on.
You no lose, come pan it. Wet it up with pussy juice.
Boy.
Boom pan it, boom pan it. You no
Blood
lose.
clot. No, I forgot about look at that one there. Blood clot. Blood clot.
Watch a girl where does a suck off me own. Boom pan it.
Measure there. Dog. Push it up. Yes. Woo. Yes, girl. Yeah. That video carry in a slow motion got a big girl. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Oh, fuck, click. Yes. Yeah, you look for the youth. Yeah, youth. Yes. Yes. Yes, girl. Why not for the bumper clip is all over it? Oi. Yes. Oh. 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 Yeah. Alright, if you don't follow me, no watch a video in a slow motion for the whole day. So you know, I put it back in a normal, you know. Because I don't want to get to the part where I get annoying, you know. Because if you don't follow me, you know. Go on.
Come in on your belly, sticky, sticky, sweet jelly. Wine for the road from the big bad.
So when the maga, them say when the maga slim, and then they go on. Man say, come in our belly, sticky, sticky, sweet like jelly. Blood clot. Oh, the hair. Oh, the song like it come out already, so we just remember that song. Maybe it out already. But what? This with the maga, and them think they go on. Go on.
Anywhere you get it, you walk up and take it. Long time with it, and them a say we wouldn't make it.
That's some different kind of fucker go on. Look on bad girl Jada.
Bad Binelli. Anywhere you get it, you walk up and take it. Long time with it, and them a say we
She
wouldn't.
just cock up and take it. She just cock up and take it, dog, as the man said, dog. Bob Buckley, dog. She just literally cock up and take it as the man said to blood clot. Go on.
You make it wise now me life, doing it right, purposefully and not buck up your ties.
Hey, them need me there every day. Them need me there every day, cause that's something I got said. Just like them bro got there right now. I think you know who there, but I see them with a talent that you don't walk around with big guy them. Blood clot, them would have worse than that. Hey, you call me for hear some music video. You do me I say, reaction boss, Tyrekevlogs for Instagram. You don't know it chat me email. You don't know I say TyrekTLR@gmail.com. You do me I say TLR. Go check it out. Run tune.
Ma get right, slap that, dim up our light. You get the car and the house key.
But like a rape. Hey, you're fat, you know. But see them here, the way I get them girl, brother. They will lock you up for them sitting there, no, sir. Make police say I do that, then lock you up same time. That girl are fat, you know.
She just get a bully beef key. Tell your lifestyle higher than Kiki.
Oh, she can't take it in that way, but hold on, watch a girl. Watch her one up at the back. Oh, I know she. But the one on the bike back. Head tap. Make sure me go see her there. Watch her. Watch her girl. Watch that girl, people. Watch that girl. Watch that girl. Head tap and back. And she take it that way there. Yeah. Oh. And she, yeah. My boy hot. More than that. Too much girl. The morning start up right to people like the video from the like the video and run up on the subscribe button. You me I say, I tell you now we bring on my plaque, you know. I think a joke or drama thing my thought that. Run up on the like button, people. Comment some emoji in the comment section. You me I say run! Tune!
Don't watch a girl where does a suck off me own. Boom pan it, you no lose. Come.
Yeah, there's something like special going on right here. You guys just don't see. She try to send a message to it. But look, watch her. See it there? Want to get the message? No, want to get it, man. I know someone get the message, man. She try to say something to me, but she picture anything in one little way. I don't really understand. You understand? Yeah, go on, though. Yeah. Hold on. She try to send me a little message again. Like, well, I don't need to understand what she try to say to me, but I think you now get it. Go on, she. You see that? Just like I could flick something there and she do, and I could touch something. Yeah, I don't understand me. Yeah, that's what I try to say. No, no, go on. I think so. I really get it, dog. But she try to send some message to me, dog.
Pan it, wet it up with pussy juice and right pan it. Right down, you no loose. Right pan it.
The scene here, bad. The scene here, one legendary scene. The girl them literally lie down, gump on the dirty road. I'm not too afraid about the scene. That's the shot bad. Big up yourself over from over there. They mean I shut up bad. Go on.
Right down, you no lose. You no sugar try to take your man. Mission impossible. Show them me ring baby. You want stop them.
Tell him so she send me a message, you know. Right now she tell me say this show that. That video after that slow motion. I'm sorry that, but Jano, go on. I want to see her again. Tell him just stop people in the corner like you're rapist, no man. Bumbo clean dog. What I've seen once with the girl, she tell me. All the body dirty. Yeah. Bumbo, them see them, but I go to some slow motion. Well on there. Blood clothes. Gosh, no, sir, go on.
Hold them a brands, yeah.
You can't manage that, brother, you hear that? Yeah, you play that from over the bike cover second. You can't manage that thick as they are in front of you. What you feel like? What you feel like? We fucking WCW in a real life. Go on. I met you. Hey, brother, man. Hey, girl, you more see long time. You more blood clots a long time. You more see long time. Go on. I open to see what go on in the dog. I open the bumbo cleat see what go on in a yo. Run tune. Them get a bad differently. Them get the outside and them on top of building and thing that. Them too bad. Them literally too bad. Run tune.
I like weed, I'm a brain food. Rules like body, them a day wound.
You see that a while ago? No, just tell me so I don't see that a while ago. Me tell you so them a bend somewhere them supposed to have been up in Anna, some S and some 9 and some 2 them supposed to have been up in Anna that. Right now I have to go check and see why them girl alright, they must sick. Something must wrong with them. They do them head? Jano.
Hey girl, I saw your right body cute. Don't watch a girl where does a suck off me own. Boom pan it, you no lose. Come.
You see, I never wake up this morning. I just wake up now. Like, I literally wake up. Them girl are wake me up.
Pan it, wet it up with pussy juice. Boom pan it, you no lose.
Them have a foot there in the bed. That boy get himself in a trouble now, watch him. Look at the man. The man that way up on one part around, so. What go on, mommy? Man that way up, look here. Man that way up on one part around, so dog. Way up around, so in one part, you know. I see the girl, them exercise, them make a routine and thing, you know. You do me? I watch it. Blood clot, you them all lock you up. Go on.
Hey, girl, so
cute.
Hey, girl, so
oh yeah, he finally get little poo-poo. They get a fat though, man, I like. But he finally get a little one dagger. He get a little one dagger, dog. Go on. Yeah, youth. Yeah, them. Walk it now, youth. Don't ramp with it, youth. Yeah. Batty and all that more get a scene up and I'll go for it. Hey, get some done spunk the batty here. You see, hey, so I see some of them car rumpa. Woman don't like when no drugs and none of them something here. I don't think how many know that. They don't even wear no more like them no wear no drugs and none of them something here. How many know that? How many know that?
With pussy juice, boom pan it, you no lose. Come pan it, wet it up with pussy juice.
Make man breathe, don't make man back them face regular. Secret today in that video. Let people see that people, viewers and subscribers. You ready for the album? Because me ready no blood cleat. When I get a full album review, maybe if it's a 1 hour long or 10 hour long video, now I get it. Remember me telling you no blood clothes. That Right now, upon the like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. I'm out.